Hello! Today I am going to be teaching you how to tune a guitar. We have 12 notes in Western harmony, 7 of which we are going to be focusing on, and they're named after letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. 5 of those are used when tuning the guitar. We use E, A, D, G, B, and little old E. Again. So how do we go about getting the strings to match those pitches? Well, we use these little things right here, which are called tuning pegs. So when you just put a string on a guitar or you get a new guitar, you might have maybe a string that's like, whoa, that's not supposed to be correct, like that is weird. Get either a tuner that clips on to the headstock. This is called the headstock, by the way. The other thing you can do is download an app. One I use in particular is called Guitar Tuna. It looks like this. You can just set it on your phone and it uses the phone's microphone, and all you're gonna do is pluck one particular string, let the microphone on your app or whatever tuning device you're using to listen to it, let it ring out, and then it's either going to fluctuate to the left, which means it's too low, or it's going to fluctuate to the right, which means that it's too high or sharp. Flat, sharp. Let it ring. To me, I can tell already this is too flat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it, find the particular tuning peg that this matches the string, and then I'm going to tune it up to the particular pitch that I want. Just keep going until you get the desired pitch. And there you have it. Do that with each of the strings. And you'll be playing in no time.